In this video we will remove virus Chromesearch.club in Chrome, Firefox and Edge. So let's begin. So currently we are facing the error of Chromesearch.club malware or virus on our browsers, including the Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera or any other browser you are currently using. To remove the virus, what you have to do is just go into your browser and open a new tab, and here search in for malware Fox. So here we have software with the name of malware Fox. So just go and hit enter, and here is the official website that says malware Fox free anti-malware and malware removal software. So just go and click on that. I will paste this link in the description, so you can just go and click on that and download the software. Here just scroll down below, and here we have a free download button. Just go and click on that. Once you click on that, a small setup of about 5 to 6 MB will start downloading. I will be back when the download has finished. Just go to your download folder. Here we have the setup of anti-malware software we have just downloaded. So just go and open that. Click yes, click OK. And it will take a small time for installation of the anti-malware software. Here just go and click on next, agree, click on next, 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 and the installation will be completed in few moments. So once the installation is complete, it will automatically start updating to the latest version. It will take some time depending upon your internet connection. Once the update of the software is complete, it will automatically start updating for the signatures that include the virus or the malware identification elements that will help this software to identify the malwares or the viruses that are currently in your browsers or on your PC. So just give it a time to update the signatures. Once updating the signature is complete, just go and click here on scan, and it will automatically scan whole of your computer, including your browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge or any other browsers, and will remove any potentially harmful or unwanted software. So just go and wait for it to complete. Once the scan is complete, hope your problem will be solved. If you still have any issue, you can just go and comment down below. I will try to answer that. But before you go, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.